How to see the top alliances in Kingshot. So basically in Kingshot, if you go at your alliance and then here you can see at your power section. So once you go to power, you'll be able to see the member with the highest power or the top in your own alliance, and the KO also. You can also see the contribution made by them. So you can only see of your own alliance and your own member. But if you want to go and see the top alliances in your own kingdom, the kingdom basically means in the world map the area where you're located at, that is surrounded by this dot. So if you want to go ahead and then view the most powerful or the top alliances in your kingdom, simply go ahead here in your profile section at the top left and go to this leaderboard section. So once you're in the leaderboard, you can see alliance power. So according to your alliance power, according to the alliance power, alliance skill, you can see the different kingdoms that appear as top right here. So this is the topmost alliance in my kingdom currently. Also this is the most top alliance in terms of kill. So that's how you see. Also if you go to the all kingdoms, then you can see that our alliance is enlisted in kingdom number 45. So this is currently the best alliance in the world or in every of the kingdoms. So you can simply view that. Also in the neighboring kingdoms you can also see that. So that's how you basically see the top alliances in Kingshot. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.